This is the genuine Mansfield 211-1112 flush valve. This flush valve is what's known as a tower valve. It does come with instructions here. The valve itself, and the nut to secure it to the tank. This is a full sheet here of the installation instructions. The gasket is also included, along with the rubber seal here. The stop cap comes installed already. And this loop right here is where the lever would go through. Get a few measurements here. Across the top. One more across there. And once again, this is the genuine Mansfield 211-1112 flush valve.